Welcome to the Crypto Ninja channel. Let's look at the stock Tesla. I'm still long in this. I've been long in this since 225. I've probably been talking about it since about that level as well. I said last time I looked at this, or I think I said last time I looked at this, is this looks like a descending triangle. Since then, you've invalidated that, at least short term. It still looks like it's kind of struggling, but technically you have invalidated the descending triangle. It still looks bad to me. And I do not want to see it take out this low, which it looks like it kind of wants to, and on the smaller time frames. So if you lose 4 or 5, you could argue that maybe it's time to be out of this position. I did say, though, as long as you stay on the 5.5-hour time frame above the bull market support band, which the bottom is 320, and above the 200-day smooth moving average on that same time frame, which is at 312, you could technically still be bullish on this. My worry is that if you lose a level of about $400 or 405, you are going to quickly fall to that support at 364, which we use as resistance for quite a while. And if you lose 364, you're looking all the way down to maybe 326, and then below that 296, and then by then you're technically below these levels. So, you know, if you lose this 4 or 5 level, you only have 1-2 supports until you would hit that level, and then by then you'd already want to be out. So I do not want to see Tesla take out this low at 4 or 5. I will say the 5.5-hour time frame is oversold. If we go down to the 4-hour time frame, it's looking the same way. So that would be the bearish scenario, is you take out the 405 level. I'm trying to just imagine in my mind if I can see anything bullish here. It looks kind of like chop, if I'm being blunt with you guys. It doesn't look fantastic. I'm still long in it because I believe we can make some kind of bottom here, but it doesn't have to happen. And technically, even if I get out at that 300 level or right below it, I'd still be up a decent amount, especially for the stock market. I mean, I got in the straight 3 months ago, so if I could buy at 225 and sell 3 to 6 months later at 300, that's still outperforming the stock market if we're being honest about it. So the 1-hour time frame, like, this is extremely bearish to me. Price is getting almost no bounce. RSI is getting close to overbought. The 33-minute time frame is kind of choppy, and anytime you get overbought but you can't make a new high, that's bearish. So I don't want to see us do this, but if you lose 406, to me, I can't be bullish on this asset short term. On the 5.5-hour time frame, I can still be bullish, but like, I worry that if you lose a 406 level, that's going to be the start of something bigger that will eventually portray to the 5.5-hour time frame. We'll see. Anything is possible, right? If you look at the daily, to me as well, the daily time frame is getting almost overbought, making a lower high at 439 when the previous high was 490. That's no bueno. The 2-day time frame looks okay to me. The 3-day time frame looks okay to me. What doesn't look good on either of those time frames either is the money flow is coming down on the 3-day, and on the 2-day, kind of choppy. The weekly definitely needs to come down. The monthly, not. I don't think the monthly yet on the money flow is bearish yet. I think it's still an uptrend, so that's what gives me hope we can get one more high here. But the weekly looks awful, so it's really 50-50 of what happens. But I will say I think it's more like 70-30 that we go down below 300. If you lose a level of 406. This is not financial advice. This is just what I see going on in the stock market. If you guys have requests for other altcoins or other stocks, let me know. Mainly, I just do crypto. Please comment, like, and subscribe so you can find out when I post my next video. If you guys want to join the trading group, link to join is in the description below. As always, thank you guys for the support, and I'll see you